Selfie sticks let you capture amazing photos of yourself that would be impossible to take without having freakishly long arms or risking dropping your phone. They're also an excellent way of capturing your whole crew, while simultaneously ruining the photos of every tourist around you who doesn't have a selfie stick of their own. Their lack of travel accessories isn't your problem. There are many products available to choose from. Best selfie stick, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best selfie stick from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Atomtech Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod. At first glance, this Atomtech selfie stick isn't anything spectacular, with dozens of similar looking models on Amazon and elsewhere. It stands out from the crowd simply by doing the basics well. It's durable, stable, easy to convert, and is usefully long, and having a few little extras that you don't find elsewhere. Atomtech's 3-in-1 selfie stick is made of aluminum everywhere that matters, meaning it stays relatively light, but will last much longer than plastic models. Clever design features, such as the hinged aluminum stabilizers that hold the tripod legs in place, are a welcome addition. The stick expands to a little over 31 inches, but collapses down to a relatively small 7.73 for easier carrying and storage. There are longer selfie sticks out there, but they suffer from significant wobble at maximum expansion. The Atomtech is much more stable by comparison, although particularly heavy phones will still move around a bit. Like most decent selfie sticks, you can rotate your phone between portrait and landscape modes, without removing it from the mounting bracket, and vertically by up to 180 degrees. A Bluetooth remote comes bundled with the stick, and clips into the handle to make it harder to lose. Compatible with both iOS and Android, the remote has a rechargeable battery, rather than using disposables. Expect to take thousands of photos between charges. This thing lasts a very long time. Number 2. Iki Selfie Stick Tripod with Detachable Wireless. While selfie sticks can be used with most phones, owners of very large devices face a major issue. Wait. Because large phones are typically also very heavy, most selfie sticks struggle to hold them firmly in place. This makes for blurry photos, shaky video, and worst case, risks dropping the phone entirely. This Iki model is an exception, able to hold even the iPhone 14 Pro Max, without fear of it falling out or shaking around excessively. Made from strong stainless steel, the build quality is impressive, and you can expect it to last longer than cheaper competitors. It's extendable to an impressive 46 inches, and while heavy phones might still wobble slightly at that length, it's far less than most. Because the stick is so long, dropping the length back slightly to stop the movement doesn't impact your ability to take super wide-angle shots. Despite all that extra length, the stick still collapses down to a relatively compact 8 inches for easier transport. By itself, this sturdiness and flexibility would make this the best selfie stick for iPhone Max owners or anyone with a particularly large or heavy Android phone, but the story doesn't stop there. The stick comes with a built-in fill light, which is a relatively unusual but welcome addition. It's obviously more useful at shorter distances, but if you're taking close-up selfies or talking to camera on a video shoot, you'll definitely notice an improvement in the end result. Number 3. DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. If you've ever had to sit through watching shaky video or a friend's blurry holiday snaps, you'll already know why gimbals have become a bit of a must-have for anyone capturing images on the move. They hold your phone or camera perfectly still, no matter how fast you're walking or unsteady your hand is. DJI has been building gimbals into its class-leading drones for years, and the Osmo Mobile 6 brings that 3-axis stabilization technology to a handheld gimbal. Like any gimbal, it takes a bit of practice to learn how to use it effectively, but when that's done you'll be shooting rock-steady video with the best of them. The gimbal connects to your phone via Bluetooth, and uses the DJI Mimo app on iOS and Android to enable its high-end. Number 4. Sandwich Pole Black Edition. One of the main selling points of GoPro action cameras is their unmatched durability. They let you take high-quality photos and videos in extreme conditions while diving, climbing, or snowboarding, and can take an absolute beating. Any selfie stick you plan to use with your GoPro needs to do the same, which is why we've chosen the Sandwich Pole as our top pick in this category. With a tank-like aluminum build and rubber handle construction, it's made to last, and there's a lifetime warranty that attests to that. This stick works with all sorts of GoPro models, but because you can remove the GoPro mount to expose a standard 1/43 tripod screw, you can also use it with other types of camera, and with the right adapter, even securely attach your phone to it. The pole is waterproof, making it an excellent option for snorkeling and diving, and the locking mechanism on both the mount and the extension arm is rock solid. This makes it one of the best selfie sticks for snowboarding and other high-speed sports, where the risk of a drop or tumble is not small. The 40-inch maximum length is impressive, especially given how stable the camera remains, even when the pole is fully extended. Less exciting is the retracted length at 17 inches. This is the least portable selfie stick on our list, and a problem if you want something purse-friendly. Number 5. Proof Monopod Selfie Stick. While our top pick is quite portable, if you're looking for something even smaller, the Proof Selfie Stick is the most travel-friendly option we've come across. It's a mere 6.5 inches long when collapsed, and weighs just a quarter of a pound. It extends up to 26 inches, which is reasonable for the size and weight. Build quality is good, with a weather-resistant coating over an aluminum frame that helps keep the stick working and looking better for longer. A button on the handle acts like a non-removable remote, connecting to your phone via Bluetooth, with a long-lasting, non-rechargeable battery that's easy to replace. While this selfie stick covers the basics and has better build quality than others at this price point, that's pretty much it. Unlike other models on the list, this one doesn't have a tripod. That helps justify why. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.